So this is the Alexa Echo Pop. So I just want to do a quick unboxing and setup and give my first impressions of this. So up top, there's going to be this sticker that can be pulled right out. And the box just opens up. And this is probably one of the easiest packaging. I mean, the Alexa Pop is right over here, and here's what it goes in and looks like. We got the grills for the speaker. It's got this little light bar up top, and then there's going to be 3 different buttons over here. On the back side, there's going to be the plug for the outlet, and here is just going to be a flush part just to go ahead and stand it wherever you want to. And then all the way at the bottom, there's going to be some more stuff. We're going to have the power cable and then 2 booklets. Now, as far as setup for the Echo Pop goes, I went ahead and checked my email and they sent me basic instructions. So right here, there's going to be a setup guide, and when I go ahead and click on it, here's what we get. It says set up Alexa in a few easy steps. So I'm going to go ahead and jump to Echo devices. And right here I have my password handy. Download the Alexa app, plug in the Echo device, set up in the Alexa app, and then get started and just go ahead and use Alexa. Now it's going to be the same instructions that the email shows over here. It says have your Wi-Fi and Amazon passwords handy, which I do. Download the Alexa app, which I just went ahead and downloaded it on my phone. And then it says plug in your Echo device. And then in about a minute, Alexa will greet you and let you know how to complete setup in the Alexa app. So let me go ahead and start with that. All right, so let me plug it in. Okay, I got something. And I'll give it a minute to load.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app d'Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
All right, perfect. So I have the app downloaded, and here's what it goes ahead and looks like. So let me just sign into my Amazon account and then show you what it looks like. All right, so I'm signed in, and I can go ahead and just tap my name, insert my last name, agree and continue. And here it says, here's how Alexa says your name.
Chris.
That sounds pretty good, so I'll go ahead and put nailed it. And set up Voice ID. With Voice ID, Alexa can recognize your voice when you speak to Alexa devices and provide personalized experience. Oh, something else popped up, so let me go ahead and agree and continue. Provide personalized experience that enhance your enjoyment of music, shopping, entertainment, and more. I'll go ahead and agree and continue. I'll allow. Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
I'm having trouble connecting to the network. Please try again a bit later.
All right, so my Wi-Fi is really slow over here, so let me just go ahead and switch locations. All right, so my Wi-Fi is much stronger over here, and now let me go ahead and agree and continue, and then agree and continue again. Alexa, what's the temperature outside? Alexa, play music. Alexa, turn off the light. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list. And there, it says Voice ID created. Alexa can now recognize your voice across all of your Alexa-enabled devices, and done. And now let me just go ahead and connect to my network, and then connect. All right, perfect.
Your Echo is ready.
All right, and then I see there's a few more settings over here. So it says choose language, so I'll stick with English. And then, yeah, there's a bunch of different options. Go ahead and click continue. Where is this device? So I'll go ahead and have my address there and press continue. Name this address, so I'll name it as home. Next, which room is the Echo in? So this is going to be in the basement. And then here's some things to know. It says features 3 buttons, volume up, volume down, and mic off. To snooze an alarm, tap once. This only works when your microphone isn't muted. Okay, and continue. Welcome to Amazon Sidewalk. And this says Sidewalk is a shared network that helps compatible devices work better at home and beyond the front door. If Wi-Fi is lost, Sidewalk enables certain devices to stay connected. Also, Sidewalk helps devices like water sprinklers and pet locators work over longer distances. Sidewalk uses a small portion of your internet bandwidth to provide these benefits to you and your neighbors via Sidewalk bridges. Participating Echo and Ring devices included this one. If you do not make a selection during setup, Sidewalk will be turned on unless you have previously turned it off. This setting will apply to all applicable Echo and Ring devices linked to your Amazon account. You can change it at any time. So I'll go ahead and enable this. I'll enable it. And let's go.
Hey there. It's nice to meet you. Let's get you started with a few things to try. You can say stop at any time. Let's get started. To talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question. Try saying this. Alexa, what's the weather?
Alexa, what's the weather?
It's 60 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. To stay informed, I will notify you with updates and alerts from a variety of sources. When you have a new notification, my light will turn yellow. Okay, here's something new for you. You can ask me to add items to your shopping list. Find your list anytime in the mobile app and save money at grocery stores. Try saying, Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added milk to your shopping list. Use your list in my companion app when you are shopping. Here's something new I can do. I love playing music. Try saying, Alexa, play songs from the 90s.
Alexa, play songs from the 90s.
Here's 90s rock on Amazon Music. That was totally rad. Okay, moving on. When you've got a lot on your plate, ask me for a reminder. I'll cancel this reminder after, but try saying this. Alexa, remind me to call mom at 6 p.m.
Alexa, remind me to call mom at 6 p.m.
Okay, here's a preview of your reminder. I'm reminding you. Call mom. I'll cancel that reminder for now. Here's something different to try. I can help with recipes too. Try saying this. Alexa, find me a cookie recipe.
Alexa, find me a cookie recipe.
Okay, for cookie, I recommend ricotta cookies from All Recipes, 35 minutes to make. I've sent this recipe to your phone so you can see the ingredients, save it for later, or start cooking. Now it's time to explore. Check out the Alexa app to discover more of what Alexa can do. Thanks for talking with me.
All right, perfect. And now that that's over, we can see over here, it did go ahead and save the shopping list. So when I said added milk, milk is over here. And let me go ahead and remove this. So let me tell Alexa to remove it. Alexa, remove milk from shopping list.
I've checked off milk from your shopping list.
And there, now it's at 0. And now the list is empty. Alexa, what time is it?
Good afternoon, Chris. The time is 12:19 p.m.
Alexa, what's the weather like today?
The current weather is 60 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can look for clouds with a chance of showers, with a high of 67 degrees and a low of 31 degrees. Would you also like to know the weather for the next 7 days?
No. And so there's a lot of stuff to go through for this app, and I can go ahead and connect a bunch of devices. So I do have some cameras that I want to set up after this. But in the meantime, the easiest thing to set up is going to be my Spotify account. More. Okay, right here, music and more. So link your favorite music and podcast services. So I'll link services. I'll click a new service. And then I'll link my Spotify. And I'll go ahead and enable to use. And then I'll agree. And there. Now Spotify successfully linked, and here it gives me some things I can go ahead and say to play Spotify. It says, Alexa, then, oh, actually I'm not going to say it, otherwise Alexa's going to start playing. Never mind. All right, so I can have play Spotify, play today's top hits on Spotify, play an oral history at the Office podcast on Spotify, so I can get pretty specific. I'll go ahead and close that out and choose default music. All right, no, I'll just not now. So overall, the setup for the Echo Pop was real easy. There's a lot of settings I have to go over and also connect other devices. Unfortunately, I couldn't have this upstairs just because the Wi-Fi signal is really, really weak. So I probably have to get a Wi-Fi extender just so it's a lot better. But yeah, that's a quick first impressions of the Echo Pop.